Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on POCO C50. And to do this you need to open your Google Play Store, inside find the Google Classroom and install it. When it's ready you can open the app. Select Get Started, choose the account, then we can select Join button, Join Class, enter a class code in the pool right here, and this button should blow up and we can join the class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.